Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about find element with Selenium WebDriver. So first of all we will create our customized HTML file and then we will work on it. So after working on this, then we will work with real-time applications like Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, Paytm, even UI5CN and lots of web application we will work. So I will create a HTML code here. So I'm going to customize it now. This is our editor. So here I'm going to open the editor. So this is the HTML editor, and here I will create a new file. So here I will save inside same directory C drive, and here inside workspace Selenium course. So let's say my HTML file dot HTML. Save it. So now you can write your code HTML, and here I will write the title. So let's say the title is Selenium practice, and inside body tag I will write some anchor tag. So let's say there is an anchor tag and href hyperreference http://www.facebook.com, and here I will use, let's say, click here to visit Facebook, and I will close the anchor tag. So if I will run this file, I will go in the same place. So this is my HTML file, and if I will run it, open with Chrome. So this is the code I have right here. If I will click on this, so you can see I'm able to visit facebook.com. In this way we can work on it. So let's say if I want to control this code with my Selenium, so how we can control it? So it's very easy. So first of all you have to import from Selenium, import WebDriver. After that I will import some time as well, import time. So if you want to make it object oriented approach, you can create the class, but here I'm not going to create the class, and I will save the time. So try. So let's say my driver equals WebDriver dot Chrome. I will open Chrome, and here again I will say driver dot get. Here I will pass the URL. So this is the URL. You can copy this URL and you can paste it here. So it will ask for this file. After that I will use here exception as ex, and here I will print error. So let's say some error, and I will concatenate with str ex, and here as I will use driver dot find. So find element by ID. First of all we will discuss about element by ID, and here we will pass the ID. ID is 1. So how we can define the ID inside my HTML file? This is the anchor tag. So inside tag only you can define the ID. ID equals 1 here. So it will search for ID 1, and here inside this, if I will refresh it and if I will do the inspect element, so here you can see in body tag I will use hover over here. So this is the ID 1. So using this I will add it. You can do here edit as HTML. So here you can copy this ID, and here you can pass this ID. So we are finding the element by ID here. So we can save the value inside a variable, and using that variable we are going to click on it. So you can use click method and wait for some time. Let's say time.sleep 2 seconds, and finally just close it. So we are going to close. Let's say driver dot close. So if I will run this program, you can see the output. So Python run. Got open, and it will click on it, and you can see facebook.com got open. So in next video, we will work with find element by name. Thanks for watching.